Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Crave a restaurant-quality meal but short on time? This honey-glazed salmon recipe is your answer, making gourmet dining incredibly accessible right in your own kitchen. It's shockingly simple to prepare, yet delivers a burst of sweet and savory flavors that will impress everyone at your table. Imagine flaky, tender salmon coated in a glistening, sticky glaze, all ready in less than 20 minutes. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, or when you want to dazzle guests without the stress. Let's gather your simple ingredients to create this fantastic dish. You'll need 4 beautiful salmon fillets, along with kitchen basics like honey, soy sauce, fresh garlic, and a hint of ginger for that perfect balance. A crucial first step is to gently pat your salmon dry with paper towels. This ensures a crispier skin and helps the glaze adhere beautifully. Take just a few moments to do this simple preparation, setting yourself up for success and a truly delicious result. Now let's create the star of the show, our irresistible honey glaze. In a small bowl, simply whisk together a generous amount of honey, some savory soy sauce, freshly minced garlic, and finely grated ginger. This combination creates a perfect balance of sweetness, saltiness, and aromatic warmth that will truly elevate your salmon. Feel free to add a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes if you enjoy a little spicy kick. It adds a delightful layer of complexity to this already amazing sauce. It's time to cook your salmon to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat with a little olive oil, then carefully place your salmon fillets skin side down. Let them cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the skin to become wonderfully crispy and golden. Flip the fillets, then immediately brush a generous amount of your prepared honey glaze over the top. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, until the salmon is perfectly cooked through and flaky. Your mouth-watering honey-glazed salmon is now ready to be served and savored. Transfer the perfectly cooked fillets to plates, and for a beautiful finish, consider garnishing with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This dish pairs wonderfully with simple sides like steamed green beans, fluffy white rice, or even a light quinoa salad. Enjoy every flavorful bite of this healthy, satisfying meal that truly tastes like it came straight from a gourmet kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.